Right now, I will teach you how to operate the central locking system. Firstly, you should open your Cardot. Press the unlock button. And then press this button of stop button for more than 3 seconds. You should wait for more than 3 seconds. And then find out the wire of foot brake. The color of foot brake is a mixture of orange and black. Press this wire of foot brake 1 time. You will look at this item has been unlocked. Lastly, you need to press this button of start stop for more than 3 seconds. When the light of start stop button is flashing with the color of red and blue, it means your operation has been successful.